Your starting direction does not have to be your forever direction.
Do I regret what I said? No.
Before you start worrying about what camera to buy, what editing app to use, or which platform you should post on, there's something I want us to figure out together. What kind of creator do you want to be?
I would like to be a terrorist.
And if your answer is, girl, I don't know yet,
City girl.
that is very okay. You don't need to have your entire creator journey figured out from day one, but you do need a starting direction. Because one thing I see a lot of creators do is talking about everything. Business today, lifestyle tomorrow, a random trend the next day, then something completely different after that. And sometimes it's not even because you want to talk about everything. You just simply have so many ideas and no structure for what to do with them. The problem is when your content has no clear direction, it becomes difficult for people to understand why they should follow you. So ask yourself, do I want to teach? Do I want to entertain? Do I want to share my lifestyle or experiences? Do I want to create with AI? Do I want to build a personal brand around my work or business? Or is there something I genuinely enjoy talking about that I could turn into a content? And here is the part I really want you to remember. Your starting direction does not have to be your forever direction. When I started, I had so many things I want to do, but I had to find a baseline first. It wasn't perfect. I've changed. I've learned. And I'm still evolving. So if you already started creating and you have different ideas pulling you into different direction, this is your chance to pause and choose your baseline. And if you haven't started yet, this gives you somewhere to begin. Your assignment today is simple. Think of one thing you know you enjoy or care about that you could use to help, teach, inspire, or entertain someone. Write it down. That is your starting point. In the next few videos, we are going to explore different types of creator types that will help you understand which direction could work for you. This is episode 2 of Start Here With Me. If you want to go through this journey with me inside my community, comment join and I will send you my Telegram link.